Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the videopreneur, and check it out, a 2027 Brinkley Model Z 3600. This is the first 27 I've seen, and I'm excited to bring it to you. Some new features. So we have the pass-through storage. Boy, it is a beautiful sunny day today. We had some rain this morning. Speaking of rain, you've got your water hookup, satellite, residential plug. You can see your leveling. Great looking wheel and tire setup. I hope it shows up in this bright sun. There's the 3600 badging. And we'll slide around the back. I got some storage back here I want to show you. So you have your tow hitch, as well as this storage back here, which is great to put tools, extra clothing, if you have a mechanical. I'll see if I can shoot the wheels and tires here in the shade a little bit better. So again, great looking setup. Look at the size of this docking station doors. So we have two doors, but boy, it's plenty of room. There's your leveling. And then your pass-through storage, very, very wide. So if you've got large chairs, big bubbles, no troubles on this side. So we have a slide and a second slide. We'll get inside, and that rhymes. We'll get inside and show you more of the goodness. You can see your Model Z badging as well as your Brinkley. Very nice floor plan. I failed to mention this is offered by Bill Thomas Camper. Combination lock here. Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. I've got a link below for new, used, service, and parts. And here we have the large gathering room, family room, 4-position sliding desk, dining table, and there's storage in there. You got your theater seating, wireless charger. Then we have additional sleeping here. And then we've got storage on both sides. We got a nice size fireplace, very wide, televator, center island, very, very nice. Let me show you the sink. And then this is your drying rack. 3-burner cooktop, very nice. And a microwave oven, refrigerator, freezer. Let's show you what kind of storage is above. So if you have pizza sheets, cookie sheets, great place to store those. You could also put board games, put a Monopoly game or Risk. Additional storage here. As here, coat rack. Great place for sweaters, jackets, hoodies. And check out this bathroom. We have 2 sinks. Well, this is taped down, but that's an additional sink with a cover, so you can remove this cover if you like, or leave it down and you have more room to spread out. We have a bank of 3 drawers, cabinets on both sides. We also have medicine cabinet. And then when I swing around, we have, and that's been winterized, that's why you see that, but we have the very nice wide shower. We have these cabinets, and then great place for your clothes hamper. Let's swing around and head into the bedroom. So we have a very nice full-size closet, great place for sweaters and shoes. Then we also have, should you need it, washer and dryer hookup, or just additional storage. So if you're a weekend only, you don't need a washer and dryer, bam. You're going for a longer trip, throw a washer and dryer in there and you're set. Very nice size bed, and I love the bamboo mattress. Very firm but yet soft. We also have a bank of drawers and a TV. So again, Bill Thomas Camper, 2027 Brinkley 3600. Any comments, questions, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video. Thanks again.